Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video and a new chapter today. So today's chapter is basic concepts on aspects related to social work. So under this, the lessons we are going to study are like social welfare. What is social welfare? Social service, social action, social movements, human rights, equality, equity and social justice. These are the lessons that we are going to study in this chapter. So we will begin our lesson from lesson number 1, and that is social welfare. So without any further delay, let us start. So society keeps on changing, developing and maintaining various ideas and efforts. So social worker has to study various aspects that directly relates with social work, practice system and approaches. Now, social welfare includes non-profit services, public or voluntary action, programs and benefits to help people in need or at risk, and also to develop overall aspects of society including social, economical, physical and mental health of the general people. Social welfare itself or social welfare tries to meet social needs and improve they try to improve social order and functioning. So according to Hoshino, he is a philosopher. He has identified 6 areas of social welfare, whereas where social welfare has scope, they look a scope into. So they are income maintenance, health care and housing, employment, education, child welfare provision, etc. So under income maintenance, we can view income maintenance from both perspective, both in cash or kind. That is, how can we maintain the income of the people? If we maintain the income, if general people has a standard income, then they can have a good life, so there won't be any problem and social welfare, its approaches will be met. So income maintenance, here we can view it on both cash and kind, and like social insurance for old age people can be given, and for the disabilities, and those who are unemployed or those who don't have a job, then various improvement opportunities and programs for all type of people, all type or all level of people, and this should be provided an employment. So if we become able to generate the income of the general people, then their life standard will be improved by themselves, and there won't be any sort of social tension in the society. So the second one is healthcare. We can view it from both mental and physical health. So for this, health insurance for aged and disabled, medical assistance for children aged, disabled, and medic aid program can be brought for them, so that their life will be easy. Third is housing, where a public housing or rent supplement can be provided. Fourth is education for children, adult literacy can be provided and non-formal classes can be given. And fifth is employment. Here job trainings, employment opportunities or various employment programs can be provided through government and both the societal perspectives. And personal social service. Here in personal social service, therapeutic and rehabilitation, so services to families, children, aged, physically and mentally handicapped people, alcoholic and drug addiction, these things can be considered. And for those who are disabled or those who are children aged, they can be provided the social service, thinking this or not thinking this, but for to give a services considering this evidence. So number 7 is child welfare provision, where foster care or adoption can be provided to those people. So if we want to if we want to improve the social order, so if we want to improve the social order, then these 6 or 7 areas of welfare can be done, so that the life of general people can run smoothly. So social work itself is a profession that works within the social welfare system, and social workers, they always advocate for social and economic justice within the social welfare system. They provide various needed resources to vulnerable populations such as children, elderly people, disabilities, those who are poor, or those who are in poverty, those who are facing poverty, to such kind of people. So example of professional group within the field is field of social welfare is, you can make this picture in your exam as well. You can draw this diagram. So in any field there can be a professional group where you can see in the diagram. Here is a social worker, they can play a role of psychologist. We can see the nurses in hospital, attorney in legal services, teachers in education, planners or planners in social planning or agencies, psychiatrists in mental health clinic, physician in public health service. So these are the professional group, these physicians, psychologists, teachers, nurse in hospital. These are the professional group, and where they can create an impact and put an impact to change society, sitting under the same roof of social welfare system. So thank you so much for this social welfare, and sorry for the background noise because here is a construction work going on. So yeah, thank you, and stay tuned for the